Before connection, we need to know the connectors between the battery and also the inverter. Here for battery, we have a breaker here. You need to make sure it is on shutdown status. And here is battery cable between the inverter and the battery. You have plus, you have minus, and here you have RS485 communication terminal with the inverter. So inside the inverter, you need to connect the AC output, and also you have AC input from grid utility, and you have battery communication connectors here. And this one is LAN cable. If you need to buy RJ45 with your switches to connect to the cloud for remote control, you need to connection here. And this is for inverter parallel, two inverters parallel together. And here you have a ground connector to keep safety. This one is to connect battery input. You have battery minus, plus, and you have battery minus. And this is to input the solar panels. So here, so between the inverter and the solar panel, you need to have a breaker. And also between the grid and the inverter, you need to have another breaker. So make sure that they are shut down when you do the connection. In the carton box of this stackable 5.12 kilowatt-hour battery, you already have two battery connection cable. It is black and red one. So this is 16 square meters cable, and it has two OT connectors. Put inside this communication cable and the terminal between inverter and the battery.
正常这里边还有两个螺丝要你告诉你。
This is the cable to connect between inverter and solar panels. You need to choose the 4 square to 6 square meter cable. This is for AC output cable. It's also the same as solar input. You need to use 4 to 6 square meter cables. This is AC input connector. You can connect grid utility into the inverter or connect the generator here. Here is for ground connection. You can choose the right one to connect the cable to the ground. This is Ethernet connector to connect the inverter with the cloud to use the remote configuration and also remote control function. After you complete all the connection for the inverter and the battery, so first you switch on the battery and then switch on the inverter power switch and switch on the solar input breaker and also grid input. Now the system is functioning well. The operation indicator is flashing green, and also AC output and AC input, and also for solar input and the battery input is running well.